The three most helpful meditation supplies. The idea of having meditation supplies may sound ludicrous. However, if you've always been impressed with those who could meditate for hours, you may want to consider having few meditation supplies. There are many different items that you can use for meditation supplies. Here are some of the best supplies you can use to help you become more successful at meditation. What are meditation supplies? There are many different types of meditation supplies. Some examples will include cushions, pads, music, and other relaxing materials. These supplies are used to make your meditation environment more comfortable or easier to concentrate in. The supplies listed below are some of the best supplies that you can use to become better at meditation. Meditation cushions. Meditation cushions are a great tool for those who want to meditate for longer periods of time. To be successfully at meditating, you will have to be able to relax mentally, emotionally, and physically. However, if you're uncomfortable, this may become a huge problem, as you won't be able to focus on being more mentally and emotionally calm. Why use meditation cushions rather than a chair? For many people, chairs are very restrictive. They have a back, two arms, and a limited space to move. A chair gives you less personal space compared to sitting on the floor because of this. By using a meditation cushion, you will be able to have the required space you need to find your inner peace. Why not just sit on the floor rather than a meditation cushion? Another huge benefit to meditation cushions are the way they work. Sitting on the floor causes a huge issue with comfort. Although you may be able to stand sitting on the floor, your body can curve to the floor. However, when using meditation cushion, the cushion will firm around your body, making it effortless to sit in the same position for several minutes. Relaxing music. Meditation supplies can come in all different forms. Relaxing music is a very powerful tool for many people. If you're a person that's trying meditation but you have a hard time concentrating, then you should try relaxing music. The music will help give you something to focus on, rather than the surrounding noises of the world that you may not be able to get away from. What kind of music is relaxing music? Never use any kind of popular music or rock as meditation tool. You want to find soothing music without words that helps you reach deeper into your soul. Examples of these are pure instrumentals, classical music, religious music, and nature sounds. Other types of music will just distract you from your meditation. Meditation supplies are not required, but they are often very useful when you are having problems concentrating. If you are trying to learn how to meditate, but you're having a hard time, then you need to take some action. There are many other types of meditation supplies that you can find that will be able to help your concentration as well. Resource box. One of the most used of the meditation supplies are incense and aroma candles. These two items are used widely for aromatherapy. Incense help to soothe the body in a way that no other meditation supplies can. The three most helpful meditation supplies.